In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to concatenate in Smartsheet, step by step. If you've ever wanted to combine text from multiple cells into one single cell, like merging first and last names, adding IDs together, or creating custom labels, this is the easiest way to do it. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use the join function inside Smartsheet to concatenate values quickly and efficiently. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Smartsheet tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your Smartsheet and navigate to the sheet where you want to combine your data. Once you're inside your sheet, click on an empty cell where you want the combined result to appear. This is important because the formula will output the final concatenated value in this selected cell. After clicking the empty cell, click on the formula bar or simply start typing the equal sign to begin entering a formula. Now that you're in formula mode, type in join. As you start typing, Smartsheet will automatically suggest available functions. You should see the join function appear in the drop-down list. Go ahead and click on join from the suggestions. The join function in Smartsheet allows you to combine multiple values together with a delimiter, which is the character that separates the combined text. For example, you might want a space, a dash, a comma, or any custom character between the values. After selecting join, you'll need to define what you want to combine. First, click on the first cell that contains the text or value you want to include. Then type a plus sign to add another value, and click on the second cell you want to combine. If you want to add a separator between them, type a comma followed by quotation marks with your chosen separator inside. For example, if you want a dash between the two values, type a comma, then in quotation marks type a dash like this, hyphen equals. Once you've selected your first cell, added the second cell, and included your separator, press Enter. Smartsheet will instantly combine those values into one single cell using the separator you defined. You'll now see both values merged together exactly how you formatted them. This is extremely useful when you're building reports, creating tracking IDs, combining names, or formatting project data in a clean and readable way. You can also expand this formula further by adding more cells using the same method. Just continue adding plus signs and additional cell references if you need to concatenate more than two cells. The join function is very flexible and can help automate repetitive formatting tasks inside your sheets. And that's how you concatenate in Smartsheet using the join function. It's quick, simple, and saves you from manually copying and pasting text together. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tips, tricks, and easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.